Alright guys, who we have here?
Brandon. Dalton.
What are we doing today?
Skydive. A little skydive.
Talking about perfect good airplanes.
That's right.
You guys are crazy. Any occasion?
Oh,
Just
for fun.
want to go do it for fun?
Whose idea was this?
Mine. Yep.
Any last words, final comments, confessions? Before we go?
Oh,
Nothing.
nervous.
You trust this guy?
I do.
You trust me?
I do. Should I? We'll find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. Let's go rocket skydive.
Hell
High
yeah.
five.
Ready? Let's go.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, you ready?
Hell yeah.
Crazy. Get in, up, out of
Jump out of the plane.
Do it. Woo!
Parachute above our heads. How you feeling?
It feels fucking amazing. I've never felt anything like this ever. Holy fuck.
Okay, you want to do a spin?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah! Let's go!
Welcome back to Earth, my friend.
Hell yeah.
Get back in one piece.
Alright man, you just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
Can't wait to do it again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, what was your favorite part?
The initial jump, I think, flipping around and then just coming out full speed, that was amazing.
Yeah? Heck yeah. And you said free fall?
Yeah, I think the free fall is my favorite part.
Yeah,
Yeah?
the parachute spin was sick. Oh my god, it was all just amazing.
Heck yeah, dude. Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
That's what we like to hear. Thanks for jumping with us, guys. Woo!